Hey, my name is Ian. Ever since I was a child, me and my good friend David have been passionate filmmakers. We've made movies our whole lives, like action flicks, wacky flicks, and even sad flicks. But now, we have a new passion. Animal rights. And what's the biggest travesty of them all? The biggest blight on the animal kingdom. The transformation of wolves into simple house pets. Over a century ago, wolves used to be majestic hunting beasts, living in their natural habitat. Now, this is what they look like. Pugs aren't even able to breathe properly out of the womb, and that's stupid. But then look at the wolf. They're strong, proud, and free. And that's where our story begins. De-evolving dogs. We're trying to make the simple house pet back into the majestic animal it came from. This is our story.
Alright, so what are we doing?
Step one to de-evolving dogs, we're gonna need money. We've already done a modicum of research for this, so we're gonna need funding to carry on.
Yep, of course.
Step two, more research. That's
More
always step two.
Always
You can never have enough knowledge. Knowledge is the future.
Absolutely.
Step three, science.
What? I like it.
We're gonna need to actually know our science and things, so we can actually do the experiments. And number four is world peace.
I like it.
Right here.
Thanks for calling Best West Pet Foods on St. James Street. How can I help you?
Hey, PetSmart, it's David again. I was
Hey.
wondering if you have any bulk deals on dogs.
On dogs.
Like, just dogs. Like, if I was to buy, like, 4 or 5 of them, how much would that cost me?
You'd have to go through a rescue shelter.
Oh, damn. Okay, thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Have a good one.
You too.
Bye.
De-evolving dogs. What are they, fucking 5? Jesus. Oh my god. Look at Ian and David, okay? This is what I want to say. Their long hair, the Hawaiian clothes, they're absolute stoners. Crackheads. You need to stay off the drugs, kids, or you're gonna come up with this idea too.
Hey, basically I was doing some research on the project, and I found that the wolf, pretty much wildly, their geological time scale was at least 300,000 years ago. And that, even if we can maybe even reverse that to maybe like 20,000 years ago, we might be able to get somewhere close to one of the great gray scale wolves of the Mesoploric era.
Well, okay then.
Alright, pretty much, if you look up dogs, and then you go to Wikipedia, you can clearly go down the line. There's at least like 6 different breeds here, all from different walks of life and such. But if you go to the as pets section, and then you find this photo, this is a young boy, very clearly getting mauled to death by a wolf. We're not saying we want that to happen, but we would like them to have the ability to do that.
De-evolving dogs? Where's the science in that? You have like a super mad scientist who's figured it out? Let me ask you one thing. Are your parents disappointed in you? Because I think that answer is yes. I'm leaving.
How's the research going, buddy?
I just can't do it. I can't figure it out. I don't know. I don't understand how we can make it back to this stage in evolution.
Back to the egg breeding stage.
Just can't crack the code.
Damn it. You know what? I actually understand this.
There used to be a graying tower alone on the sea. You became the light on the dark side of me. Love remains a drug that's the high and not the pill. But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can't be seen?
Hello?
Hey, what do you have to talk to me about?
Yeah, I got some bad news, Ian.
What?
Funk's gone. They found out what we were doing, and they refunded everything that they gave us, including the Starbucks gift card.
What?
I know.
They took the funding.
They took the funding.
What are we supposed to do now?
It's over. Pack up, it's done.
So the dogs, we're just gonna leave them.
We just gotta leave.
I compare you to a kiss from a rose.